I am B. Michael, a New York fashion designer and couturier, an author, and now interior designer. And I am sharing with you my very first gut renovation interior design project. You are in the home of my client in Beechhurst, New York. So my client gave me just one marching order, and that is that I would have complete creative control. And you do not have to tell me that twice. When I walk into someone's home, I begin to understand who the person is, and I have to say that I almost judge you by your entryway. Don't judge me for that. The curved aspect of this chandelier is the theme that is carried throughout the space. This space also has to be functional, so it was the perfect place for this very clean, modern console. And you know, an entryway needs a mirror because if I'm leaving to go out, I need that last look. And if I am the guest arriving, I need that look before I join the party. Furnishing this apartment is like building a collection. You will see that the furniture for the seating area is all very circular, just to kind of bring us in and make the space feel much more intimate. Each wall in the apartment is a different shade of gray. It was this space that I decided to introduce blue, and I brought it together with this gorgeous sculptured rug and the two chairs that I had made in Italy. So this print is a commissioned piece by my client in homage to me, the designer, and to my book Muse. I'm not this vain, however, I will say that it does add great color to the space. The custom dining room table has a base that is lacquered stone, and the top of the table is a bleached walnut. The contrast comes from these gorgeous velour, almost theater chairs, if you will. And they have a draped back, which brings in my fashion sense, I suppose. And under this massive chandelier, if this were the runway show, then this chandelier would be the finale piece for the other light fixtures around the apartment. So this kitchen is a brand new take on the galley kitchen, starting with creating this very light feeling, but also keeping it luxurious, is why I selected this beautiful marble. In contrast are these white tiles. The cabinets has this beautiful streaking effect that gives a little bit of color value. For the seating, I chose dove gray sculptured cotton, just to give the space a little warmth. This is the primary bedroom, and I thought, why not put the bed in the middle of the space? I love that because the bed placed here allows the client almost to have a panoramic view of the water. I also created a lounge area on the other side of the bedroom and appointed it with a gorgeous chaise lounge. To finish the lounge area, I had installed a beautiful shag rug to just create this very warm, cozy, sexy environment. Wow, this was such an amazing project for me. I got to exercise both my loves as a fashion designer and an interior designer using textiles and color palette and silhouettes. So thank you for letting me share this with you, and I can't wait to see you the next time.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.